Everyone, we are group 2, and our question is, which immigrant goes cancel Ellis Island? Uh, the immigrants to Ellis Island are England, Ireland, Germany, Italy, and the Scandinavian countries. The countries to Ellis Islands include the immigrants to Ellis Islands are mostly from Northern and Western Europe. In the next slide, I will show you the numbers of immigrants to Ellis Island. And from this tablet, we can see the top 3 countries are Italy, Russia, and Hungary. The number of immigrants to Italy is 2,502,310, and the immigrants to Russia is 1,588,542, and the immigrants to Hungary are 59,557. And the next slide, Wendy Huang will introduce the Caribbean, Asians, and Jewish immigrants.
There are mostly European immigrants at Ellis Island. However, there are still some tons of black immigrants who come from the Caribbean. And you can see that the Caribbean immigrants is about 310,000 immigrants. And where is Caribbean? Caribbean is on the Caribbean Sea. It's near United States and Brazil. You can see the picture. These 3 women are from Caribbean. They are from Caribbean about 1910, and as you can see, they are all black, not white people. Next, let Sophia to introduce Asian immigrants to you.
Hi, I'm Sophia. Now let's take a look at Asian immigrants. Since Asia is a very large place around the world, so that's why there are many Asian immigrants moving to Ellis Island, and the number of Asian immigrants is 7,130,000. So there are a lot of people moving to Ellis Island. And this is a map of Asia, and it's very large place. And in this slide, you can see there are 2 pictures. On your left hand side, they are Chinese immigrant students, and this photo was photographed in New York City in 1910. And then on your right hand side, they are Japanese immigrant students, and the photo is photographed in San Francisco in 1910. Yeah, and next, we are going to introduce the Jewish immigrants, and Wendy will introduce this for you.
Hello everybody, I'm Wendy, and I'm going to introduce Jewish immigrants from Eastern Europe. We just count how many immigrants from Eastern Europe, and the number is 5 million immigrants. And you can see the Eastern Europe is not so. It just look. It is also large, so Therefore, there are many immigrants from Eastern Europe. And because in the U.S., the Jewish people are just another group of people trying to make a better life. But while in Europe, they are the single minority. And in U.S., there are a accepted group of people of society, and they are also leaders of public and private groups of organizations. And on your left hand side, you can see the three old men, just they were immigrants, and the woman is also. And next, Ivan will introduce these famous families for you.
Okay, now let's see the family who immigrated to Ellis Island during the 1920s time period. The first family is the Squaws family. They come from Ireland, Europe. And the second family is the Mon family. They come from Seattle. And the third family is the Machiavelli family. You can see at that time they're able to take photo, and they may be a rich family, so they immigrate to a rich land, and may not because of economics, and they may because of political reasons. Thank you. That's all for our introduction.